Hey, it's Frank from Touchstone. I'm here to walk you through our new Fury electric fireplace today and show you some of the new improvements that we're really proud of in this fireplace and some of the great features that come with it. The first thing we're going to start off with is the size of the actual flame display. The black glass is small. It's actually technically the smallest we could possibly make it. Obviously the top is a little bit bigger because you have the heat blower that comes out here, but these sizes are the smallest that we could actually make it in the design and actually still have the framing work with it. We've done comparisons to other electric fireplaces, especially low-cost ones, discount ones that are in the marketplace, and there's actually 55% more viewing space on this flame than there is on some of those discount-based fireplaces. The second big part of the Fury is we specifically designed it at Touchstone to match the most popular sizes of large flat screen TVs. So you've got the 65-inch Fury, which is for a 75-inch TV. You have the 57, which is for a 65-inch TV, and the 46 works for 50 to 55-inch TVs. So it's specifically designed to sit below a mantle underneath your flat screen TV. The depth of the fireplace is only 4¼ inches from the firebox to the wall. Our design team actually worked really hard to find the minimum depth we could get, still maintaining the quality of the flame itself. Some discounted fireplaces will have much thinner fireplace depths, but when you actually see them in person, the quality of the flame is just not great. The Fury actually is a great new flame, much brighter, much more intenser. And if you go anything smaller than 4¼ inches on a firebox, you really lose a tremendous amount of flame quality. So the other piece of this is the adjustable flame settings. First off, the flame intensity of the Fury is really, really bright. I'm in a LED lit room here, but you can really see the intensity of the flame. So you have 5 different colors and you can actually turn it off, but you can see that this is a really, really intense flame. So the brightness of the flame actually lets you use it in a room like this, in a brighter room, so the flame really stands out. You also find that the flame itself is actually much larger. It's actually effectively like getting our elite size flame in a firebox and a fireplace that has the full glass front. One of the really cool features that we've worked on here is the dynamic ember bed. So what I can do with this flame bed is I can turn off the flame itself and just have the ember bed. And if I take the ember bed to level 5, it has what's called a pulsing ember bed. So what we've done is you'll see that these are real glass crystals. We've replaced the plastic crystals that are on a lot of fireplaces out there and some of our other fireplaces. And we researched and found the crushed glass looks much nicer than the plastic crystals. And with the pulsing ember bed with these glass crystals, you can slowly see the color change. It stands out even more with those glass crystals. So on both the flame and on the ember bed, you can totally turn off either one of them. You just have the heat running, or you can have the flame without the ember bed or the ember bed without the flame. It's got a lot of variables in it. But the cool thing is that the maximum ember bed 5, you get that ember glowing effect. It also has smart control options, so you can run this via Wi-Fi, Alexa device, Google Home device. We'll be reviewing that on another video as far as showing how to use it on our mobile device and how the steps are with that. But navigation is much simpler as far as some of the improvements that we made, so you'll be excited to see those. Like our other higher-end fireplaces, the Fury is smart switch compatible. So if you have it connected to a Google smart switch or an Alexa device, it will maintain the last setting that you were on when you turned off the device. So if I hardwire this into the wall, or I plug it into the wall, whatever the connection is, if it's on a wall switch, when I turn off the wall switch and turn it back on later, it'll maintain the last flame setting that I have, which is a great feature. Customer colorization, it's got 10 different flame colors. It's got 10 different ember bed colors. So you get a lot of different choices as far as the different colors, and I can walk you through some of the different colors that are available. One of the other things we worked on in this fireplace is some advanced heating. So the heater itself is the same heater, the same 1500 watt heater that we have on our other Touchstone fireplaces. But what we did is we actually changed the design of this so there's no obstruction to the airflow. The air comes in and blows right out the front. On some other fireplaces, in our original fireplaces, the airflow isn't the same as this. So we actually measured the airspeed coming out, and we measured it about 25% higher as far as the strength of the fan. So when you're walking past it, you can feel a little bit more. It's not a stronger heater, it's not a stronger fan, it's just a design feature that we were able to get more airflow moving through it. So last piece is the versatile styling. This comes with the crushed glass crystals, the driftwood, and it also comes with a log set as well. So you get a lot of choices as far as how you want to set it up. You get your remote that comes with it, but you also can use the Touchstone app, which for this product is very easy to use. With the fireplace itself, you'll get your remote control, you'll get your manual, you'll get your connections for connecting your hardwire, you'll get your mounts for mounting this onto a wall for security on the wall. It can be wall hung as well as recessed. And a new feature that we've added, because you're getting the glass crystals, we actually do include some safety gloves. So that way when you're handling the crushed glass, you don't have to worry about any types of shards or anything like that getting under your skin or bothering you. So that's the Fury, available right now in 3 sizes. We have a 4th size coming, but designed to fit for your large screen TVs perfectly as far as depth goes. Super wide display, the maximum you can get on a flat glass front fireplace, and a ton of new features that I think you'll really, really like. So thanks for watching, and again, this is Frank from Touchstone.